out of order because his question sa
Pinupunan na tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media.
This is a travesty of Senate rules. Will not allow it.
Minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit naka-present lahat o kulang kanina, o there was a motion to...
Madam President. Salamat, Madam President.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, hindi po mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Eh, sinasabi ko na ako at hindi po bagong motion ito. Hindi siya bagong motion. Nasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minute ko na po ito.
point of order. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, sinasabi ko lang sila po kung sinasabi.
Kung tama yun, actually, ang kasama niya ay walang alam sa mga.
Pwede ko magsigay naman. Sinasabi ko kasi,
Kaya ako nag-alip sa inyo. Salamat sa inyo. Kasi sabi ko wala akong hindi ko
kaya po po pinipigil na
pagkakain sa inyo. Yes.
To me, ito po ay naman. Kasi pala ito yung gusto ko pong malinawan ninyo ay siyempre finding distinction between general provision. Binibilis ko ipaliwanag po sa atin ng aking katayan. May paliwanag sa inyo ang we understand the distinction between the two. Baka kung iba na ako kaya ng matagal. So, ano ko nang bibigyan ng masamang tawag? Binibilis ko po makatulong sa ating lahat. Kapag naiintindihan po nyo yung distinction, I try to premise my discussion by argument on the validity and supremacy of a special provision. Pinapigil na po kayo, pero ayaw nyo naman akong pakinggan. Napakasimple po ng distinction na binibigay ko. Wag po, ang application po lang po, kung tayo magbibigay ng masamang kahulugan, I am only precisely placing a distinction between the two. Yun naman po, wala po ibang masamang kahulugan ito. Eh kasi po yung pinapigil. Huwag pong gano'n. Explain na lang natin para... Huwag pong gano'n.
Explain mo na lang po. Kasi,
Session is resumed.
yes, sir.
Pinupunan na tayo eh. Pinagpipilitan nila, naisip-isip siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media, ilalabas ng warrant of arrest. O, para makaboto yung mga yun na makakulong, kung sino man yun, para makaboto sila, o nakakulong man sila.
Sir, ano ba dapat yung rules? Ano dapat, Sir Migs, ano yung dapat na rule natin na, ano dapat yung rules?
No, this is a travesty of Senate rules. Will not allow it.
So ano yung dapat na gagawin? Di ba dapat ko-constitute muna na yung Committee on Rules?
Yes. Wala pa committee no. Wala pa nga majority leader.
Yes, sir. So bilang dating majority
We
leader,
will not be part of this. It's a travesty of our rules, of the Senate rules. Hindi kami papayag sa mga ganitong kalukuhan.
Hindi sila pwedeng magboto.
Niloloko
Hindi
tayo.
sila pwedeng magkasa ng motion ngayon, sir.
sir, hindi sila pwede magboto. Sir, paano ba yung...
Violation of the rules.
Because they are disobeying our rules.
Si Sinjay.
Nasa the ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair, the gentleman is out of order because his question sa mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it out. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing?
Bakit po? Ba't po kayo
We're walking out because this is a travesty of our rules. This is a travesty of our rules. This is a travesty of
Sa Risa, bakit po kayo mag-walk out?
Kasi mali yung gagawin nilang pagboto eh. Mali pa tayo sa mga rules. Mali yung proseso. Wala pa ng debate sa substance.
Bakit po sa tingin niyo gagawin gusto nilang mangyari ngayon yun?
Eh, hindi na tayo umabot sa pag-discuss, debate sa substantive kasi hindi nila sinusunod yung sariling rules.
Conference, ginagawa na kung may pandemya. Wala
Yes.
pandemya ngayon.
Walang national
Bakit natin
emergency.
babaguhin?
Walang force majeure.
Sir, baka ituloy nila. Pwede po ba nila
Wala
ituloy?
silang forum, sinukan nila.
Walang forum. Hindi ba tutuloy?
Kailangan po ito eh.
Madam President.
Thank you, Senator Marcoleta. We recognize Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Salamat, Madam President. Meron din po akong substantive na interpellation sa motion ngayong araw na nire-raise o itatalakayin ni Senator Marcoleta yung text na pinamudmod ni Senate President sa atin ngayong hapon. Pero una, gusto ko pong segundahan yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Bagong motion ito, Madam President. Bakit po? Sa ilalim ng Section 24, ni-refer yung unang mosyong binanggit ni Senator Marcoleta noon sa Committee on Rules. Ngayon kung sasabihin na ibinalik yung mosyong iyon, yung unang mosyon ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary, sino ang gumawa nun? Dapat ang Committee on Rules. Na-initiate na po ang prosesong iyon alinsunod sa Section 24. Hindi pa nga po nako-constitute ang Committee on Rules. Wala pa nga pong minority contingent sa Committee on Rules. So wala pang body na pwedeng ibalik yung unang mosyon ni Senator Marcoleta sa plenary. Kaya ko sinusugundahan ang sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Ito pong motion na gustong talakayin ni Senator Marcoleta at pinamudmod ni Senate President sa atin, bagong motion po siya. Kung kaya't nag-a-apply po ang Rule Section 136 na kailangan bigyan ng isang araw pa pagkatapos ito i-move para talakayin. And tama si Senator Pangilinan, sa Lunes pa po yun, Madam President. Salamat, Madam President.
Madam President, without giving meaning to anything, ito
Senator
pong
Marcoleta.
mahirap kasi kung wala po tayong legal background dito. Kaya sinasabi ko na nga po, hindi po bagong motion ito eh. Hindi siya bagong motion. Kasasabi ko lang po, May 11, minub ko na po ito
Madam
eh. Sino po
President,
magsasabi na bagong motion?
point of order. Ad hominem.
Sinasabi ko lamang po, ang
Hindi,
sinasabi
Madam
ko lang,
President,
kanina ko po sinasabi.
Hindi po tama yun.
Section
Nasasabihin yung kasama
136.
niya
Pwede po
ay
ba?
walang
Session is
kinalaman,
suspended.
Pwede po
walang
bang
alam sa
pagbigyan?
batas.
Or not. And we have exhausted already all the arguments. This is a simple motion, so I move that we divide the House. May I reiterate my motion. Then we can go into the merits and they can try to convince us whether or not we agree. So the motion is to take up the amendment to our rules as proposed by Senator Marcoleta. The objection is that it is not in order because we did not follow our own rules.
Madam Chair, Madam President,
Before that,
Madam President,
yes, we recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Madam President, my question is, why is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it says convene and hold a session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. I guess, Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure or does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question
Madam
is,
Chair.
why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted, the Section 41C, para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas na po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin, Madam President. That is my question, Madam
Madam
President.
Chair, the
We recognize
gentleman
Senator-
is out of
Senate
order because his question sa nagmamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, mababanggit ka rin? You do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi minadali. May 11 pa ho yun. So Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via viva voce.
Madam President,
Minority Leader.
I move to adjourn or a quorum call.
Ilan ba?
That is a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record,
Yes.
they scampered out and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam
Before we
President,
adjourn.
motion to adjourn is
Senate
not
President.
debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not
Parliamentary
debating.
It's not
We're not
debatable.
debating
Madam
minority
President,
leader.
Madam President.
We're
I'm
not
not
debating,
debating,
Madam
and we
Chair.
will indeed adjourn.
parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum, yes.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit na present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not
Eh,
upon a situation,
quorum call.
Madam President, when
Motion
they,
to-
when they
motion to
readily
adjourn.
and willingly walk out.
Takes
Hindi
precedence.
po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam
Kung
President.
sakasakali
As
po,
reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence and not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday
And we will adjourn session
until 5
until
p.m.
5 p.m. on Monday, June 1st, 2026.
June 2nd? First ba? June 1.
June 1 ba yun?
The birthday of Senator Lacson. So we will have cooler heads.
Okay.